In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a Doordash virtual card at a gas station. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to actually make this possible, we must first add our virtual card to either Apple or Google Pay. And that's because if we add it to our Apple or Google Pay, it actually allows us to pay via the contactless payment feature. You want to look for a contactless card reader, and you can usually find that by looking for this contactless symbol right here. However, a lot of gas stations won't actually let you pay at the pump via this method, so if you can't see it at the pump, you may need to actually go inside and speak to someone working in there to see if they do accept contactless payments. However, once you have added it to your Google or Apple Pay, then as long as they do have a contactless reader, you'll simply be able to activate your card and then tap it to actually pay. Now, if that method didn't work for you, what I'd recommend you do is actually download the 7-Eleven app, because that app actually allows you to link a card, so you'll be able to link your virtual dasherdirect card with the details that they give you, and from there you'll be able to get gas at any 7-Eleven of your choice. So that's how you can use a Doordash virtual card at a gas station. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.